Today, we're taking a deep dive into the DSC TYCO PK5500ENG 64-zone full-message LCD keypad. This keypad is designed with functionality and security in mind, boasting a sleek modern style in classic black. With 64 keys and an intuitive LCD display, it offers comprehensive control over your security system. The keypad's ambidextrous design ensures ease of use for both left and right-handed users, while the included keycap puller simplifies maintenance and customization. Its full-message LCD display provides clear, detailed notifications, keeping you informed about your security status at a glance. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly interface and clear labeling. Whether you're setting up a new security system or upgrading an existing one, the DSC TYCO PK5500ENG offers flexibility and reliability. Its 64-zone capability means you can monitor a wide range of areas, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your home or business in terms of performance. This keypad stands out for its responsiveness and durability. The keys are responsive yet sturdy, designed to withstand frequent use without wearing down. The modern black finish not only looks stylish but also blends seamlessly into various interior settings. Overall, the DSC TYCO PK5500ENG 64-zone full-message LCD keypad is a solid choice for anyone serious about their security needs. Its blend of functionality, ease of use, and robust design makes it a standout option in the market today. If you're looking for a reliable security keypad that doesn't compromise on features or style, the DSC TYCO PK5500ENG could be your best bet.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.